On the basis that sustainability is about, reducing your impact on the environment and kind of leaving things better than you found them, I work very closely with customers and partners to help them deliver their part of the energy transition and to really collaborate together to deliver the most sustainable solutions that we can. Sustainability comes in many forms, and there are multiple ways that the energy system is changing and adapting. All are important. Sometimes people can think the only way to decarbonise the power system in terms of the grid is to put in place new products. And that's true on a lot of occasions. But in this case, taking existing equipment which is not ready to be replaced, and from a cost perspective, it doesn't make sense for it to be replaced. For decades, sulfur hexafluoride, or SF₆, has been the norm in the electrical industry due to its excellent insulation and current interruption properties. However, it has a high global warming potential if leaked, and its life cycle management requires careful handling. EconiQ is Hitachi Energy's eco-efficient portfolio for sustainability, which brings together products, services and solutions that deliver an exceptional environmental performance compared to conventional solutions.
National Grid had identified that the gas SF₆ is now the next environmental challenge we need to address, which will allow us to be completely environmentally friendly. When we approached Hitachi Energy with the ideas and we said we had to get rid of this gas, there was very limited solutions in the market and across the globe. So in order to achieve the net zero ambition, we need to be moving very fast at pace with technology and innovation. The SF₆ gas is currently over 90% of the National Grid controllable emissions, so it is a major part of our network.
Reducing SF₆ is a universal challenge, but the solution is relatively simple and has a big impact. National Grid's aim is to eliminate sulfur hexafluoride from all of its high voltage assets by 2050. To accomplish this, National Grid uses Hitachi Energy's EconiQ Retrofill to replace SF₆ in installed equipment with an eco-efficient gas mixture to improve the environmental and life cycle performance of the equipment. This is part of our overall effort to continuously improve our sustainability position across the portfolio.
Our mission is carbon neutrality and to reduce our carbon footprint. And together with our partners, we want to develop solutions that we are able to accelerate the energy transition. EconiQ is our solution for a greener product portfolio. We are aiming to reduce the environmental impact and increase the energy efficiency. We make it possible that we can replace it, so we provide the solution, doing research and being innovative. Our responsibility is to preserve the planet.
We have a responsibility to help our customers to accelerate the energy transition by supporting worldwide efforts to reduce the impact of greenhouse gases. This project is as much about collaboration and trust as technology. Energy is more central to people's lives than ever before. Any disruption or change can be scary. Hitachi Energy and National Grid collaborated to first see the opportunity and then worked together to manage the challenges. Now have a system in place that can be used anywhere to help move toward more sustainable solutions.